I forgot to tell you on my last video that I was giving away fidget spinners, so y'all about to see. Works really good. Yeah. So guys, if y'all want one of these, all you have to do is subscribe and then comment down below that say fidget spinner. Then every week I'll be posting videos and I'll be choosing one of y'all. But all you have to do is comment below fidget spinner, and then if y'all could, yeah, you have to have a certain phone. Just show me the picture of what fidget spinner you want. Any fidget spinner. I have sharp ones I can cut your hand or something, but I ain't giving away those. They're too dangerous. That was my hope was. But I have blue ones, I have rainbow ones, I have ones that have two. I have metal ones, smaller ones than this. And so I'll be giving them away. I'm gonna stop giving away as soon as I'm gonna stop giving fidget spinners away in about 3 months. So y'all need to subscribe in, and I'll be picking 10 people out, or 5, and whoever wins, I'll be sending you a fidget spinner. So, peace out.